Hello friends, today I am going to unbox and give you an overview of the Philips GC1920 Steam Iron. Steam irons are available at various price points, but the ideal price point for a good steam iron ranges anywhere between 1500 to 2200 INR. I would strongly suggest against buying a dry iron, as most of us are using synthetics and blending fabrics these days, and it is not advisable to use a dry iron without steam function, as they tend to burn fabrics if not used properly. If you're a student or a nuclear family, the Philips GC1920 Steam Iron offers great value for money. It cost me 1800 INR when I purchased it. The Amazon India link for purchasing the Steam Iron is given below. You can check the latest prices there. The Steam Iron comes with all modern features and can be a good travel buddy as it is fairly portable. The Steam Iron comes with a 10 ampere top, which is a regular size plug that can be used in most sockets. The Philips Steam Iron comes with a non-stick golden sole plate for a smooth glide over all fabric types. We would now cover some key features of this modern steam iron. The Philips GC1920 comes with the most modern functions that are available and is backed by Philips brand reliability and service support. The Philips Steam Iron comes with a water spray mechanism which can easily be used by the push of a button. The outlet is also ergonomically angled to hit a fine mist over a large area for stubborn creases. The Philips Steam Iron comes with a swivel cord, thereby increasing the durability and life of the electrical cord. You can also get slightly more expensive models which have a 360-degree swivel mechanism, increasing the durability of the cord further. The Steam Iron is also designed with a decalcification system that can be used in cases of calcification buildup inside the steam iron. The Philips GC1920 Steam Iron comes with a fairly large and easy to use water inlet opening, and it can store up to 180 ml of water at once, giving you enough storage for domestic use. The Steam Iron offers two levels of steam output from the sole plate, which can be adjusted using the knob. The maximum output of 17 grams per minute of steam can be set using this knob at a maximum level, which is fairly sufficient for everyday use. The Philips Steam Iron also comes with a temperature control dial, where depending on the fabric type, you can set the temperature of the sole plate, thereby optimizing power consumption. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and have a super day.